Hi guys, welcome to Castle PC Builds, and today I'm going to upgrade and clean a laptop, a Lenovo Z50-70 of a client that has messaged me on Facebook. And yeah, so I've already checked the specs. It's already running a Samsung. How many terabytes is that? Or one? Actually it's not, can't see it, but yeah, actually it's running on a Samsung HDD, and I'm going to clean the fans, repaste everything. The RAM is okay. He just wants to use this for light gaming like Valorant and for office use. So I'm going to replace it with a WD Blue 500GB SSD, and I'm gonna put in a 9.5mm second HDD Caddy. Actually, I'll replace the CD drive into this, so the HDD will be transferred here while the SSD will be on the main drive. So okay, let's get cleaning. But first, I'll tell you what I use for cleaning. I usually use a 99.9% alcohol, an IPA, isopropyl alcohol, microfiber, some wet wipes, and a blower that is far away from the room. So okay, let's get started. Right now we're done with the cleaning and replacing the hard disk and the disk floppy to an HDD drive. I'll transfer the HDD drive there. So yeah, we'll check if this posts, and we'll try to reformat it to Windows 10 because right now it's on Windows 8. Good thing I've already backed it up here. So yeah, we'll check if it posts. So yep, everything's working, so the cleaning is good. We'll check the keyboards later if every key is working. And yep, so please like and subscribe Castle PC Builds on YouTube. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So message me if you need laptop repairs, laptop cleaning, or PC cleaning. So thank you. Bye.